Let's make homemade flatbread with no oven required because it's summer, we don't want to turn that thing on. You're gonna need 2 cups of flour and then you're gonna add baking powder, no yeast. Then add salt, mix it all around, make a little well and add your wet ingredients like the oil, maple syrup, and some water. You're gonna start with 3/4 cup. Then you're just gonna mix it up until it's well incorporated. If it looks a little too shaggy and dry, you can add a tiny bit of water, about a tablespoon at a time so it doesn't get over moist, right? Then you're gonna knead it for 5 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface. So just knead it really well because you want all that gluten to activate until it looks nice and soft like that. Then you're gonna cover it for 10 minutes and let it rest, and voila, your dough looks nice and shiny. Then you're gonna divide it into 6 pieces. Then you're gonna roll out these 6 pieces to about 1/8 to 1/4 inch until they look nice and beautiful like this. Then you're gonna add oil to a pan and you're gonna add about 2 or however many fit in your pan. And you're gonna let them cook about 1 to 2 minutes, or when those bubbles start forming, then you flip them. And look how beautiful they're already starting to look. So once you have these done, you're gonna place them in a plate and cover them with a towel, and voila, you can enjoy with anything like the hummus we just posted earlier. Enjoy!